how to hide alerts on the transit app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can hide alerts on the transit app, and here is how to go about it. So the first step, of course, is to sign in into your transit application, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you will be brought to the home page automatically. On this page you can see different options, right? You can see a map, and then you can see transaction lines as well as departure lines. And the reason why you can't see any transaction line or departure line on my screen is because I am currently in an unsupported region, and as a result of that, certain features are not available to me. But for you, you would see them there. So let's get right into this. Once you can see this, the next thing to do is to navigate through to the service alert screen. All right, so on most occasions the service alert is located by clicking on the gear icon, and then on the top part of the screen you can see three icons. So just click on the last icon, and then here you usually see your service alert here. So once you can see this, click on it, and then you'll be taken to the service alert screen. Once you're on the service alert screen, you will see a menu. In this menu, select hide alerts. All right, just like that, that particular alert would be just like that, all of your alerts would be hidden. All right, so like I said, let's go back. Log in into your transit app, click on your settings page, move to the last part of the screen, and then you will see amongst the options displayed, you will see the service alert option. Click on it, and then you'll be taken to the service alert screen. On this screen, from the pop-up menu, select hide alert, and then all of your alerts will be hidden. And then to unhide an alert later, tap on the X hidden alerts on the same page, and then the alerts would be unhidden. All right, and then to tap the alerts you want to unhide, to select unhide alert, and that particular alert that you've hidden would be unhidden. So that is how you can hide alerts on transit app. Thank you and have a good day.